Hello po, good day. Bali, ito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo Switch version 2 unit natin, 512 gig. So SD card, inserted na rin po siya sa ating Switch unit. So this order is going to Ligao City, Albay. Now, yung Switch po ninyo is naka-dual boot na rin po siya. It has our legit mode and yung ating jailbreak mode po. Currently, ina-access muna natin ngayon yung ating jailbreak mode. Automatic na rin naman siya every time that we just turn on normally our Switch. Ang una niya pong i-access ay ang jailbreak mode natin first. So wait na lang din natin na mag-load. So these are the games that we were able to install. Yung mga requested games po ninyo na nagkasya. And then if you are going to check rin po your album folder, andito naman yung ating mga homebrew applications. Makita ko na lang din yung charging ng ating Switch unit. So nakakabit na po yung charger that is also included with your package sa aming outlet, wall outlet. So currently, battery percentage is at 99%. So side A charging, good. And our side B charging, good. And then yung Joy-Con natin, ayan, charging also. Wireless, Bluetooth capability. Now, connect ko lang sa aming internet connection. So just key in our password. Okay, connected and delete ko lang po ito. And our Joy-Con naman. So right, Joy-Con analog. Up, down, sideways. All good. No drifting or ghosting. And for our left Joy-Con, all good as well. So ZR, ZL, LR, plus minus, ABXY buttons, our directional buttons, spin shot, SR, SL ng ating left Joy-Con, and SR, SL naman ang ating left Joy-Con. Our analog buttons, all good. And home button. So turn off lang po muna natin yung ating Switch and access naman natin yung ating second boot, which is our legit mode naman. So before we turn on our unit, we just need to wait na mga around 10 to 15 seconds, which will be enough time para po yung mod chip natin sa loob is totally ma-turned off muna. So let's try turning on. And then once you see the logo na lumabas, ayan, hold down nyo lang po agad yung ating volume down button para lumabas tayo sa ating Hecate menu options. Now for normal process, in accessing our legit mode, we'll just need to select yung ating legit mode sysnan. But currently, dahil hindi pa po stable yung bagong update na lumabas, we need to temporarily follow these few steps muna. Click lang po natin yung close button, select reboot, and choose OFW. So sa legit mode po natin, dito tayo pwede mag-access ng ating eShop, multiplayer online, or if meron po kayong mga physical game cartridges, dito nyo rin po siya pwedeng laruin. So dahil nasa legit mode naman po tayo ngayon, if you are going to check rin your album folder, expect na hindi na po ninyo makikita dito yung mga homebrew applications, rather, yung mga nakasave na photos na meron po kayo. There lang na. So okay na po yung ating Switch. Bali, I'll be sending also separate photos to mga other inclusions dun sa inyong package. And babalot na rin namin yung inyong order. Wait na lang din namin yung courier for pickup. And pa-wait na lang din po for the tracking to update sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming. 100%. So, battery percentage has increased. Alright, thank you po.